Have a look at this, 1,711 pages of physics knowledge. Oh, that's kind of heavy. Lots of people ask me what is the best book to learn physics either at university or if you're preparing for some hard exams such as the GE Advanced, the International Physics Olympiad, and my answer to this is Young and Friedmann University Physics. What I really like about this book is that it starts from the very basics such as vectors, goes through all of kinematics, dynamics and classical mechanics, on to electromagnetism, goes through the very basics, starting from Coulomb's law all the way to the derivation of Maxwell's equations. By the way, this is not a sponsored video in any way. This is actually my own copy that I bought from when I was a student. What I really like about this book though is that it contains an absolute wealth of problems, and you can really make sure that you've mastered the topics by checking in with the numerical answers at the end of the book. I've also noticed that some of the problems keep appearing in olympiads, and they're very similar to the GE Advanced as well. And have a look at this example in which I derived the second of the Friedmann equations, which is included in this book, but it also came up in the International Physics Olympiad. And this video is just over here.